Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy AC Legend. I'm back with another video. Now, for some of you guys that know, we had got an Airbnb 2 years ago. First year went really well. We were profiting about $1,000 a month. The second year, however, the market changed, as well as our apartment complex that we are hosting our Airbnb at partnered up with Airbnb, and they started taking 25% of our bookings. So ultimately it wasn't profitable anymore. And after the lease was up, we decided to take down our Airbnb, get rid of it. So now I'm in the unit. We are getting everything off the walls, cleaning up everything. See, the bed is up, this dresser is getting taken apart. Some of the things we'll probably just sell. Some of the things we'll just get rid of. Others we'll just take back to our spot and maybe have some use for it. So I want to give you guys a little bit behind the scenes of us just preparing to get rid of the B&B after 2 years. Yep, I'm about to take this TV down. Like I said, I'm about to get the rest of the bed down so we can condense everything. Once we condense it, it should be pretty easy to pack up and get up out of here. It's not too much stuff in here, as you see. A lot of this stuff, like I said, can probably just go right into the trash. These bigger things, I'm gonna rent a U-Haul, smaller U-Haul, just to get everything out of here. 1 day job, probably take us a few hours to break down, a couple hours to load up, and we'll be done with it. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys some more behind the scenes here in a bit, and I'll talk to you at the end. Yo, so I'm back. Got a good majority of stuff cleaned up. Still got to take the TV down. Got all this grouped up. This is what's gonna go in the U-Haul. Alongside with the gaming chair, the dresser, the drawers are already packed in the cars, mattress. That desk we'll probably just get rid of. There's something behind that. Everything else, that's the last of the dishes and kitchenware. That's going to the trash. Everything is getting pretty much cleaned up. Utility closet is almost done. Packing that up now. Bathroom. Everything is put back. Change out the shower head because we had put a custom one in. Closet is cleared. Everything's pretty much clear in here. Tub's clear. I'm gonna take this right here out and probably just throw it away. I'm gonna get the rest of them screws out. Tomorrow, I'll probably come in with some putty up all the little holes. I know there's another hole behind this TV that we'll probably just cover up real quick. Yes, that's progress for today. Tomorrow, I'm actually get the U-Haul, come over here, load it up real quick. So I only got a couple more hours. Here's a view of outside of the Airbnb. For those who hadn't seen it ever. It's gone now. Yo, one last take of the spot. Pretty much cleared out everything up out of here. 2 years. Finally. It's all cleared out. Peace out to Club Cozy. It's officially finished. Yo, living room, 2 plants. I'm leaving that up there just because I don't got the tools to take it down. I'm gonna leave this out here for whoever comes next. And we out.